In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in WordPress. If you want to give your WordPress site a fresh new look, changing the background color is a simple way to do it. This can help your site feel more on brand, more modern, or just easier to read. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the background settings and how to choose a new color using the built-in editor. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website content and design settings. Once you're there, look over at the left-hand menu. Next, click on Appearance. This section contains the tools that control how your site looks, including themes, layout options, and design customization features. If you're using a block-based theme, this is where you'll be able to access the site editing tools. After that, click on Editor. This opens the full site editor, which lets you customize global parts of your website, such as templates, typography, colors, and overall styling. Depending on your theme, the interface may look slightly different, but the general process is usually very similar. Once the editor opens, click on Styles. This is the area where WordPress stores the visual design settings for your site. It's especially useful because changes made here can affect the overall appearance of your website rather than just one individual page or post. From there, click on Background. This setting controls the background appearance used across your site or within the theme's style options. If you're trying to make a broad visual change, this is the right place to do it. Now click on Gradient. This gives you access to background color styles that can include blended tones instead of just a single solid color. Even if you want a simple effect, this option may still be the path WordPress uses to let you adjust the background color visually. Then select a color. Choose the one that best fits your website's design. As you make your selection, pay attention to how the color looks with your text, buttons, and other content. A background should support readability, not distract from it. Lighter backgrounds often work well for content-heavy sites, while darker tones can create a bold, modern feel. Once you've chosen your preferred color, take a moment to review the overall look in the editor. Make sure everything is easy to read and visually balanced. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in WordPress.